Oh, this project's going to be so cool.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. I hope you're all well. I hope you've had a good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, whatever time you're watching this video. But today we have a very exciting video for you. I'm 90% sure you can probably guess from the title and thumbnail, but nonetheless, I'm very excited. Noah, or NT Media, if you remember him from the previous videos, he has wanted this car for years. Since as long as I can remember our friendship, and our friendship goes way back. So yeah, pretty much to the point that every single car game we've played, I don't game as much now because I don't really have time, but when we did, every single game, whether it's from Forza to Car X, this car would be Noah's car. It'd be his go-to, he'd drive it, he'd get it, he'd mod it, work towards that car, whatever game it was, and that was his car. He'd mod it to his liking, and that's exactly how it was. And this has been his dream car for as long as I can remember. Now, of course, like I say, you guys will know from the title and thumbnail, but I haven't even seen this car in person yet. So aside from filming, I'm really excited. So without further ado, let's head down to Noah's and let's check out his dream car.
When you actually when you actually film it, it's calm. But like when you look at it, it feels like.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Right, so Noah, or NT Media, what car have you bought?
So we've got 1989 200SX S13. Literally, we've had it a couple months now. So just had it in for welding work, done the rear, seals. There's a lot more to do, to be fair. So
Yeah. I had the question written down, why is this your dream car? But we all know.
I'm about to say
it's an S chassis.
It does skids.
Yeah.
It does skids. Turbo noises, all the good stuff.
Yeah, so this is it X-Drift car, isn't it?
Yeah, it was an extra 12 at one point, as
Yeah.
probably pretty much all of these were.
Yeah, literally. I don't think there's one that hasn't been skidded.
I'm about to say, there's like pretty much all of these were. It was extra. Got like fuel cell, all the spec things. Welded diff.
As you can see, it's a bit of an abandoned car at the minute, but that's where Noah slash me and Noah will come in.
I mean, it was a project before, so that's the worst thing where it's like it was a halfway done project.
Yeah, picking up someone else's project is a very brave thing to do.
But it wasn't too bad because it was off a friend at least, so I've got some at least history of what the vehicle was.
Yeah,
for the
when you
past
said like
couple of years,
we won't disclose the price, but the price Noah got this car for, the amount of people
it wasn't
that
bad.
would kill for that.
It wasn't bad, to be fair, for what it is.
Yeah,
Is running, not currently.
So yeah, it's got a few little mods in it already, but the main goal is to get it cleaned up, get it sorted. And
nice.
As you can see, it's got the typical Jap can, which is ridiculously big.
Solid like fist there. It's like
Fist and a half, maybe two fists.
Two.
Yeah.
You could fit two in there.
That's what she said.
Jesus. Yeah. So let's have a walk around. See what we got. So we got obviously crazy good fitment at the minute.
Well, that's
got these
fitment's
overarches
fine, man.
Yeah.
Got these faces and that.
I know plenty of people that would say that fitment's fine.
The front's not even that
The front's not
actually
bad.
not bad, to be fair.
It's got some hips though. It's got some what?
Yeah. It
Yeah.
needs a little summit.
Actually, are you going to change the tail lights? Because I really like these tail lights.
I'm keeping. I like the stock tail.
I actually really like them. Yeah.
I like the stock tail.
I don't know what if they're like Type S or something.
I think they've got the circle. You got the circle ones.
I don't like
and you got the LED ones, but
Yeah.
I like the stock ones in these. Like,
I think I prefer
honestly.
these. I like them when the amber bit's clear, but I don't hate the ambers as well, especially because the colour it is at the minute.
That's what it's at. Yeah, exactly. So.
But as you can see from all these holes, that it was someone else's project, and they really wanted to make sure that all these panels were secure on the car.
Apparently, this ducktail needed what?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I think I missed one. 16.
Yeah.
I was told on one ducktail.
Yeah, definitely.
Ridiculous.
It's had a little bit of a knock, but that will be getting repaired. Because obviously it was a drift car. If it didn't have a knock, then you'd be surprised.
But at least someone
the
was using it
glass
properly.
is the one thing that I've looked at and I'm like, the glass looks immaculate. Bear in mind this is OEM glass as well. It looks crazy.
It's a good spec too. Sunroof,
Yeah.
everything.
Sunroof.
Doesn't leak. Touch wood.
Yeah, that even I know is rare. These wheels aren't actually that bad. They could probably polish up quite well.
Well, yeah, the plan is for them just polished for now until we get them polished
What
bases.
actually wheels are they?
I don't even know myself, to be fair. Like,
The previous owner, for some reason, decided yellow would be a good colour for them. No idea why he painted two of them and not that, because obviously silver does look better, but I'm pretty sure you're going to change
Yeah,
that.
100%. I mean, ideal, it's got to be like a Stance Boy VSKFs or something like that, and that's the end
Yeah, so
goal.
that was another question. I was like, what's the plans, the future plans?
I was about to say, so VSKFs, like that would probably be one of the ones. Maybe the Advans,
Yeah, I
the
quite like
three-spoke
those.
ones, I do quite
Yeah.
like them.
I love 3-spokes, especially as well.
In terms of then obviously this colour, that's the main thing.
Yeah,
So it's either
at the minute it's very patinaed.
It's out of 4. It's either red, similar to the OEM, bit of candy kind of pearl, deep pearl to it, teal, silver, which
Teal's
matches the
look
Polo,
good.
which is
I'll throw
elite.
cars up on screen as we're speaking.
So
over
yeah,
them.
silver, or like a nice dark deep purple with a bit of pearl to it as well.
I'll put a poll up in the corner to see which colour you guys think would be the best. Obviously, I'll have like reference photos up on the screen as well. But we might,
Yeah.
just for temporary purposes, do a paint job
I think we need to
on the channel just to get it one colour.
One colour, just to see as well. It'd be
Yeah.
nice to try.
Just to get it all the bodywork in a decent place.
I feel like it would be nice to even just try and learn, try and paint,
Yeah.
and just see the process, because it won't be that hard. It won't be that hard. It won't be that hard.
But yeah, we'll give it a go. I'm sure you guys in the comments will be able to tell us
But
if
say
we did good.
another thing, wing. As like
Oh
every
yeah, it's
car
currently
should have.
wingless.
But we do
But
have plans
you'll
for
see
that.
in the back of the car, there's definitely
Let me see if I can
a sizable
get that
wing that will be going on there. If you guys, obviously we've said it's going Stance Boy. If you guys know anything about the Stance Boy S13s, you could probably already guess what wing this is. I won't show the
Where
engine
is
bay
my
just
key?
yet.
I don't actually know where my key is. Where did I put the key?
You lost your keys already.
I've lost the keys. I just had it.
DJ Caleb would not be proud.
DJ, I got the key. Oh, it's in the door. In the door. What's going
Yeah,
on?
you can already see it through the windscreen, it's that big. We'll get it test fitted up for you.
326 wing. Oh my gosh. This is the issue of having a big wing. I can't even.
Doesn't even fit in the car.
Oh my gosh.
It's impressive
Oh my
that it's
gosh.
even fit in the car, to be fair.
Just about.
Go on, let's test fit it. Woohoo. Obviously it's fiberglass, so it will need work to be made perfect.
Getting
but
that lane flat.
that with some good fitment. Lows, full Stance Boy.
Yeah, it just fits so well. Like,
Yeah, you can already hear the TikTok edits
I
coming.
feel like it has to be further up. But yeah,
Yeah.
that just fits. Like, it fits the over fenders like so well. I mean, they're like 25 mil
yeah,
wider.
It fits the body perfectly. Obviously, once you get some big ball wheels on it, the rear bumper as well. Have you got the rear bumper?
That's it. Yeah, that's what I need to go. I've got rear
Oh,
bumpers.
yeah.
Well, yeah.
Yeah, so we won't be going to grab parts.
I've actually got two. I think I've got two. I think I've got two rear bumpers.
Yeah, you
for
see.
this.
Oh, another point while the door's open. I don't know if you guys know S chassis and the lack of interior and how expensive they are. Obviously, this isn't a project, but it does have full interior, which
That's it. Like, literally
is
everything.
unheard of. And if it is heard of, it's very expensive.
That's what I'm saying. It's rare to actually. So I am actually going to keep interior. I won't strip it because it
Yeah.
just makes sense.
Just like OEM Plus,
Like
give it
before,
some nice
who had
bits.
it, my friend, he spent a lot of time trying to get like the interior together, just small bits. Got just like the few finishing bits for it, and even them like small bits, like just like seat back covers and stuff, were just expensive just to
Yeah.
get those. So
Yeah, how much for the seat?
I'm pretty sure like I got them for about 100, 120, and I don't even think
For
that was
seat
the guy that
back
was cheaper than what they
covers,
should be going for.
That's
Because that was like
crazy.
a deal price.
I do like these front over fenders though with the little vents in them. That's similar to what I want on the E46. What front bumper is it?
It's like it's the Type X style.
Yeah.
Um,
I think it's probably one of my
I
favourites.
can't remember. It's literally the perfect kit. The kit that I wanted, what I would have
Yeah.
got for these.
Oh, and you guys.
Obviously, you got the side repeaters here.
Yeah.
Probably get them smoothed out at some point. It's,
Yeah.
it's like, what would we need?
And
To be fair, that's something we could probably do.
Yeah,
As like part
definitely.
of doing the
the
fenders.
prep work. And as you can see, the engine bay. I know for the Americans it's not an SR20.
I was about to say all electrics work, but clearly not.
Yeah,
It's not starting.
yeah.
But
They work,
most of
but-
them.
Yeah, that's
Most
what the
of them
multimeters
works.
are. That's what we're diagnosing today. But this is the CA18.
Yeah,
model?
CA18. So it's forged.
Oh, it's built, isn't it? Yeah, I forgot about
it's
that.
built. Yeah, it's fully built, forged, turbo, just been rebuilt. So to be fair, it's one of them ones where once we get it started in a second, because we have got it started before, but it's seeing if everything's built
Okay,
fine and built
yeah.
properly, and then we'll see
Yeah.
about that.
Yeah, and this would be good for what? 350, 400?
I'm about to say they can do upwards of that. I think it's running right now just over 300, but it can do like a little bit more.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, so we need
we'll just keep it safe for the minute. It's more than enough.
Get all the intercooler pipe, which need a nice little HKS
intercooler there. And obviously it's got pop-ups that do work. There you go.
Yeah, obviously this is the common mod that most people do because low boys that will rub through on the tyres.
The loom just literally tucks up there.
Tuck it up there rather than OEM goes under, which obviously just gets eaten by the tyres.
As you can see, like it was hanging when we got it out of the truck, and even just from it hanging, it's just like rubbed already. So
yeah,
get that tucked back up. But
so yeah, it's a full project. I'll document. Obviously, this is Noah's build, not a channel build, so I'll document as much as possible. But it's going to be cool to see the transformation.
That's it. We'll see how it turns out. I'm hoping clean and functional, really.
Yeah,
clean and functional.
The channel doesn't know the next project yet, so the next project and this together.
That's it. I have an idea of the next project, and these two paired.
Unreal.
Yeah. It'll be good.
Different worlds, but same vibes.
Hopefully next year. I can see by next year.
Start to mid next year, summertime. Maybe start the season.
We've made some progress.
It is also turboed down there with a very nice downpipe. I have no idea what it sounds like with the turbo because
I haven't even heard it with the turbo yet because when we started it, we didn't have boost pipe plumbed up. So
open headers, but no nothing. So this is usually the point of a reveal that you do a test drive.
Yeah.
As you can tell, it's not exactly running at the minute, so it's not just going to be a reveal video. We are actually going to get to work on the car, try and get it running. Hopefully in this video we do get it running. If not, it's still a cool reveal of Noah's abandoned car, new project to him.
But yeah, we'll see, hopefully. Yeah. That's the thing, though, it's electric, so it's one of them ones where...
Yeah, the mechanics are all sorted, they're fine, but it's the electrical issues, which, as you guys will probably know from my videos, I don't touch electrics, I don't like it. Mechanics, fine, but electrics are a no-go. Noah's the electric...
To be fair, and I don't even want to do it. So you know...
if you know the electric issue, it's fine, but it's diagnosing the electric issue.
Yeah. Problem with cars like this is where they've been touched by so many people. Yeah. It's like you don't know where's stuck, what's been traced. There's so many different relays. Obviously, like for example, the battery that was originally in the rear at one point. Obviously, they put it back to the stock location.
Oh yeah, we're going to boot. The fuel cells. Batteries are usually in the rear of the car. Been relocated because in the boot.
But to be fair, it's gone back into because we was just like.
Are they stock in the back?
They're stock in the front, but they've moved it to the back. But obviously, previous owner Jordan, he was like, yeah, because it's like having a battery right next to the fuel cell. It's just
probably not the best combination. So yeah, it is actually fuel celled as well. So it is. Once this is cleaned up and ready,
I say all the carpet in there's for it. Like,
it's got everything. It's full.
There you go, seat belts for the rear as well.
You've had some welding work done already, haven't you?
Actually, yeah. So we've done. I want to say 50%, maybe a little bit more than 50.
Yeah.
Like some of the most important bits that need to be done, so it's kind of basically roadworthy.
Yeah.
Just needs some attention to.
It definitely looks like a roadworthy
small areas
car
at the front.
Yeah.
Really could do with one of them ones where it could do with it. Deserves a full rest though, but that ain't cheap or something.
We're balling on a budget. We're making do.
That's it. But at some point, it probably will get like a full rest roll, ice blast, etc.
Yeah, that's what I want to do on the E46.
Because I was about to say you wanted to do that as well. So
I know we said it, but it's so mad that like you guys know that playing car games, you know a car you want, and then you pick that car and roll with it because it's the car you want.
You just roll with it, and it's
that's
like
S13 with Noah. Like
every single one, I was like, I have to build it.
Yeah.
At least now I can like build it in the game and then work out what I want to do with it.
Like my next project I built, Noah builds his S13, we drift on them together, and now we're about to make that reality, which is mental.
So that'll be really elite. We're gonna have to hit one of the drift days, to be fair.
Yeah, I'm not gonna. You can probably guess what my project is already because I've mentioned it so many times, but it will be sideways worthy, let's say. So without further ado, let's get to working on the car and hopefully getting it started. So we knew it was electrical issues, so first we were just checking all the relays, the fuses, going through everything. Obviously you'll see me here now. Fingers crossed it's literally just a fuse, because if it is, that'd be unreal. It wasn't. Obviously that'd have been great. We did find a couple of dead fuses. Noah was just under there checking the rest. But as you can see here, I'm basically just checking all the relays under the pedal because the fuse box has previously moved from the engine bay next to where the fuse kick panel is. Yeah, it's definitely that one. So as you would have seen, it's not the fuse, but there's relays behind the fuse box. And we think it's this one.
So what we're going to try and do now, basically going to try and bridge or bypass the relay, see if it is the issue, and obviously if it is and we can bypass it, it should start. If not, we'll carry on diagnosing, but we might be able to get this to start. Yeah, that didn't work. So we basically then just tried to, with the multimeter, making sure everything that needed power had power. We found out the fuel pump actually wasn't getting power from the ignition switch, so we ran power directly to that to make sure it was working. It was still working fine, but it's an issue somewhere in the wiring. So we basically traced the wiring loom up, tried to see if there's any breaks. There was a few breaks that had been previously repaired. We checked those, they were all reading fine. So we are just going to try and replace those relays. Noah has ordered them. We're hoping that's the issue. Obviously, you guys will be the first to know if it does then get started, so I want to be there for the first start. Sadly, we didn't manage to get it started, but just look how good this car looks. I know you're going to say in the comments, it is obviously a project, but you just can't be these old Japanese cars. The fact that they are a project and the fact you have to do so much to them to get them to a good state now is kind of what's good about the journey. And in Noah's case, this is the perfect build for him. It's his dream car.
Sadly, we didn't get the car started. It's electrical issues. We've done a lot of diagnosing. If you have any ideas, definitely let us know. But there we have it. That is Noah's S13. That's a crazy sentence to be saying. Abandoned S13, which in a good few months, maybe to a year, we're going to have it looking a lot, I mean, we're going to have it looking a lot better sooner than that. But yeah, the main goal is to get it running first. Well, running again and making sure it's running right. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know what you'd do if you had your own S chassis in the comments. We know Noah's going to go full Stancy boy, so sadly, obviously, we didn't have the starting for you, which I was hoping to have in this video, but wiring issues. If it was mechanical, we'd probably get it sorted, but I definitely will be here for the first start, hopefully. But like I say, let me know what you guys think of the car. Let me know what you'd do if you had the car yourself and what mod you do to the S chassis. And if you're an S chassis person, let us know any do's and don'ts, because obviously if we can avoid Noah doing them in the first place, it'd be very handy. So if you have the know-how or maybe know what's wrong with it, definitely chime in the comments. And more importantly, make sure you guys subscribe, because we're trying to hit 10k before the end of the year. And I'll throw up on screen now the last video that did well. This many of you weren't subscribed, so make sure you are. There'll be a new video every single Sunday at 5 PM. I don't want to disappoint you guys with the end of this video and you not see any action, see this car start or anything. So I'm going to leave you guys with this little clip. Don't forget to subscribe, because we are on the road to 10k subscribers by the end of this year, hopefully. And from me, Noah's abandoned S13, and Noah, I'll catch you in the next one.